Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. This video is the continuation videos of our circulatory system. In the previous video, already we have seen what is meant by circulatory system. There are three principal fluid which is present in our body: the blood, lymph, and tissue fluid. Already we have seen in our previous video. Okay, student. In this video, we are going to study about the structure of heart. Let us move toward the today's topic. See, student, this is the internal structure of heart. Our heart, the size of the heart is our closed fist. Closed fist means बेटा हमारी बंद मुट्ठी. हमारे हार्ट की साइज कितनी है? हमारे बंद हुई मुट्ठी की जैसे. समझ में आ गया? द वेट ऑफ द हार्ट इज 225 to 340 gram. Got it? And the heart is located in the chest cavity. In the center of the chest cavity means we have two lungs. In between the two lungs, the heart is situated in center. But most of the people are thinking like that heart is situated in the left side. But why we are sensation our heart is left side? Because see, student, this is the lower part of the heart, and this triangular part is tilted towards the left side. So while contraction and relaxation, we are feeling the heart is situated in the left side. Means what बेटा? जो नीचे का पार्ट है वेंट्रिकुलर, दिस पार्ट थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट साइड को झुका है. So you know heart is a pumping organ. Means what is the main function of heart? Receive the blood and pump the blood and circulate the blood to all parts of the body. This triangular part is fastly contract. So we are feeling our heart is situated in the left side. Understood, student? Structure of heart and location. The structure, the heart is our close fist. Means heart का structure कैसे बेटा? हमारे बंद मुट्ठी जैसा. And where is the heart located? Heart की location कहाँ है हमारे body में? The heart is situated in center of the chest cavity. Means see, there is two lungs, and in between the two lungs, the heart is situated in the center. Understood? The size of the heart is the weight of the heart 225 to 230 340 kilogram. Got it? See, student, the outermost covering of the heart is called pericardium layer. Pericardium layer means see, there are two layer of the pericardium. Means see, our heart have a two layer. This layer is called as the pericardium layer. In between the two layer there is a fluid. Means see, our heart is like that. The outer covering there have a two layer. In between the two layer is a fluid. This fluid is called as the pericardium fluid. And what is the main function of pericardial fluid? It protects the heart from shock, injury, and many mechanical stress. Means heart is continuously contract and relax. So these two layer is protect the heart, and these fluid are prevent the friction of the pericardium layer. Means अगर बेटा दोनों layer ऐसे होते, there is no fluid in between the two layer, they are rubbed to each other. वो दो लेयर क्या होते? रब होते एक दूसरे से, और रब होने से क्या हो जाता? उनमें होल हो जाता, and the person will be dead. So the naturally the outer covering of the heart have a two layer. This is called as the pericardium layer. In between the two layer there have a fluid. This fluid is called as the pericardial fluid. And what is the main function of pericardium layer? It protects the heart from shock, injury, mechanical stress. Understood? What is the outer covering of the heart? And we have a four chamber heart. Upper means C. There are a four chamber. This upper chamber is called as the atrium. The upper chamber, the two upper chamber is called as the atrium, and two lower chamber is called as a ventricle. It's called as a ventricle. Understood? We have a four chamber. This middle part is called as the septum. This is the septum. This is the membrane of the muscle, and this part divide the heart into the two sides. This is the right side and this is a left side, and horizontally the valves are divide the heart into the two part, atrium and ventricle. Understood, student? Outermost covering is called as the pericardium. Our heart have a four chamber. The upper two chamber is called as the atrium. It is also called as the auricles. Auricles, the name has given in your textbook. And two chamber is called as the ventricles. This part is called as the right atrium, and this part is called as the right ventricle. This is the right side of the blood. And this part is called as the left atrium, and this part is called as the left ventricles. See, there has given left ventricles. Means we have a four chamber. These two chamber is receive the blood, and these two, the lower chamber, is transport the blood, distribute the blood to the lungs and all parts of the body. Understood? Means first upon I taught you the pericardium layer. Then we have a four chamber. Upper two chamber is called as the auricle. Lower chamber is called as a ventricle. The septum, it is a muscular membrane which is divided the heart into the right side and left side. We have a four valves. See, student, these valves is present in between the auricle. Right auricle to right ventricle is called as the tricuspid valves. It's called as the tricuspid valve. Why it called tricuspid? Because the three valves, means the auricles, transport the blood to the ventricles through by the tricuspid valves. And the left side of the heart, means the valves which is present in between the left auricles to left ventricle is called as the mitral valves. It is also called as the bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. Bicuspid means two flap like structure is present in between the left auricle to left ventricle. Understood? And another valves, means these valves is called as the pulmonary valve. Pulmonary semilunar. It is also called as the pulmonary semilunar valves. And these valves are transport the deoxygenated blood through by pulmonary artery. Means in our body there are many arteries which carry the oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs. See, these pulmonary artery, we have a two lungs. These pulmonary artery transport the deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs for ऑक्सीजनेशन. मीन्स देखो बेटा, हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे रिएक्शंस होते हैं. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस होता है. जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्लड में मिक्स होता है एंड ब्लड बिकम अ डीऑक्सीजनेटेड. डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड आर ट्रांसपोर्ट टू द हार्ट थ्रू बाय वेना कवा. ये दो है. इट इज कॉल्ड एज द सुपेरियर वेना कवा एंड इन देयर इज द inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava bring the deoxygenated blood upper part of the body, means above the heart. In our face, brain, there is the deoxygenated. Deoxygenated means जिसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ज़्यादा है. इट इज़ नॉट कॉल्ड impure blood. Got it? It is called, उसे क्या कहते हैं? Deoxygenated blood. And oxygenated blood means the oxygen, the concentration of oxygen is higher than the concentration of carbon dioxide. वेना कवा, सुपेरियर वेना कवा ऊपर के पार्ट से डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड कैरी करते हैं, और inferior, it is also called as posterior vena cava, bring the deoxygenated blood from lower part of the body, our stomach, abdomen cavity, legs. Understood? And these deoxygenated bloods are poured into the right auricles. Then these deoxygenated blood through by tricuspid wall pass into the right ventricles by, this is a pulmonary artery. ये क्या है? Pulmonary artery. These pulmonary artery carry the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs for the purification, not a purification, for a oxygenation. You know, we have take the oxygen throughout the carbon dioxide in the lungs. The oxygen is mixed into the blood, and oxygen and blood become oxygenated, because our body is required the oxygenated blood. Then this is the pulmonary vein. Pulmonary vein. These pulmonary vein bring the oxygenated blood from lungs to the left auricle. Left auricle. And these oxygenated blood from left auricles passing through by bicuspid wall to the left ventricle. And there is the another valve is called as the aortic semilunar wall. And this wall, the oxygenated blood passes from left ventricle to the all body part through by aorta. This is the part of the, this is the aorta. These are the pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. Pulmonary word is related for the lungs. जो भी blood vessel है बेटा, जो lungs से heart में enter होती है, और जो भी vessel है जो heart से lungs में enter होती है, these vein is called pulmonary. Understood? We have a two pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, we have a two blood vessels, pulmonary artery and pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery क्या करती है बेटा? जो deoxygenated blood है वो lungs के पास लेके जाती है oxygenation के लिए. And the pulmonary vein which carry the oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Understood, student? In this video I taught about that the structure of heart. We have 4 chamber and 4 valves. कौन से 4 valves है? Tricuspid, mitral, it is also called as the bicuspid. This is the pulmonary valve and aortic valves. We have a 4 valves, 4 chamber. Understood? This is the pulmonary artery. We have a 2 lungs. This pulmonary artery is divided into 2 parts. One for left lungs and one enter into the right lungs. Okay, pulmonary artery वो deoxygenated blood carry करती है right ventricles to the lungs. And the pulmonary vein which bring the oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Understood, student? And this is the muscular membrane is called as the septum. It divides the heart into the 2 parts, right side and left side. Understood, student? This is the structure of heart. And the main function of heart is receive the blood and pump the blood and distribute the blood from all parts of the body. These 2 upper chamber is called as the receiving chamber, and these 2 chamber is called as the distributing chamber. Understood, student? Let us see the overview of the heart. Means देखो बेटा, again how does the circulations occur in our body? The heart is situated in center of the 2 lungs. Then see, this is the vena cava, superior, inferior. They bring the deoxygenated blood from body to the right auricles. These deoxygenated blood are passed to the right ventricle. Then right ventricle, the deoxygenated bloods are passed into the lungs for oxygenation through by the pulmonary artery. Lungs क्या करता है? जो भी कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है take out from the heart and mix the oxygen. Then again the oxygenated bloods are passes from lungs to the heart through by pulmonary vein. Then this is the left auricle by passing through by the bicuspid wall to the left ventricle. Then this left ventricle passes the blood through by aorta to all parts of the body. This is called as the double circulation, means the heart is circulate twice in our body. This is called as the double circulation, means the once it circulate from body to heart, heart to body. Double circulation means what? The blood is circulate twice in the heart is called as the double circulation. Once the blood circulate from body to heart and heart to body. Got it? And another circulation, the blood is circulate from lungs to the heart to lungs and lungs to the heart. It is called as the pulmonary circulation, and this called as the systematic circulation. Understood, student? What is the structure of heart and the blood circulation of heart? Okay, let us see the overview of the structure. See beta, our heart is the fist. The structure of heart is the one closed fist. The heart is situated in center of the two lungs. It is the triangular part, means 2/3 part is tilt to the left side and 1/3 is the right side. Okay, this is the internal structure of heart. I told you, see, first is the conical part, lower, this is the base, and this is the apex. The broad part is base and lower part is the apex. Got it? The size, the length 5 inch and the width is 3 inch and right to left 2.5 inch. Got it? This is the internal structure of heart. I told you we have 4 chamber, 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. See, this is the auricle, atria, it is called as the atria, and these two part is called as the ventricles. And this atria, this is a valve, it is called as the tricuspid valve, and this valve is called as the bicuspid. It is also called as the mitral valve. Got it? And this muscular part divide the heart into the right and left is called as the septum. The heart is situated in thoracic cavity in between the two lungs. The triangular part, heart is tilted toward the left side. This is the conical form. This is the broad base. Understood? The size is the 5 centimeter in length and the width is the 3.5 and front to 2.5 inch. Understood? We have this is the pericardium layer. I told you pericardium layer, it prevent the heart for the shock, injury. Got it? We have a 4 chamber. 2 upper is called as the atria and 2 lower is called as the ventricles. The right atrium opens to the right ventricle through by the tricuspid valve, and the left atrium opens to the left ventricle by the mitral valve. Understood, student? What we taught in the today's video? We have studied about that the structure of heart. We have seen the structure of heart. We have seen the circulation of blood. Understood, student? What is the structure of heart? We have a 4 chamber, we have 4 valves. In the next video, I will explain about that. How does the blood circulate through by heart to the body and body to the heart, heart to the lungs and lungs to the body. We have seen the blood vessel. Thank you, student.